Hi, I'm Ashley from the 37 Signals team, and I want to talk to you about how you can use Basecamp in another language. While we built Basecamp in English, you can still enter in your preferred language any place that you can enter text. So while the navigation bar and the buttons on the home page will remain in English, you can use your language of choice in lots of other areas of Basecamp. I'm going to show you exactly where you can do that. Let's start by creating a project. From the home page, click on the Make a New Project button, and right away you can name your project and add a description in your preferred language. I'm going to be using Spanish for this example. Next, take a look at the tools that you can start your project off with. All of them can be renamed, duplicated, or hidden later on if you'd like. Let's create this project. Look to the right-hand side of the page, click on the three-dot menu, and choose Set Up Tools. Here is where we can adjust our project the most so that it's in the language that we want. Click on the rename option on any of the tools and you can adjust message board to be mensajes or anuncios, whatever works for you, and then click to save your changes. Let's take a closer look at the message board. When you write a post, it can be in your preferred language, of course, but so can the categories within the board. Click on Edit Categories to change these labels to better suit you. Here I'm changing announcements to anuncios, questions to preguntas, and getting rid of a few others. Refresh the page and post your message. Let's go back to the project page to look at another way to edit names of your tools. Click into the Docs and Files tool and then on the words themselves. Basecamp automatically allows you to edit the name of the tool here. I'm changing mine and then clicking on Save. I'm also going to set up some folders that I know I'll need, and I'll do that in my preferred language. Click on the plus new button and then on Make a New Folder. Give the folder a name, save it, and maybe change the color of it. And finally, let's go to the To-Do tool. You might already have an idea on what kinds of to-do lists you'll need at the start of your project. So create a list, rename it, and start adding your tasks, all in your preferred language. So those are the major areas where you can customize Basecamp to be in your preferred language. Now, if you want all of your projects to start in your language of choice, we'll need to make a project template. We already put work into this project, and so we'll use this one as a template. Click on the project title, then on the three-dot menu. Choose the option that says Save as a Project Template. Read through this page and create your template. You and anyone else on your team that can create projects will now be able to use your outline. You can also set up to-do list templates for anyone in your account to be able to use. By setting up either kind of template, we save ourselves a ton of time with the work that we know is repeatable. And it'll save plenty of effort for you and your team if you prefer to work in another language besides English. Now that you're set up in Basecamp, let us know if you have any questions at all. Reach out to us at support@basecamp.com. Me or my teammates will answer you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching this, and thanks for using Basecamp.